Yes, hello guys. Uh, Hope you're well. How's it going? How's everything rolling out there? Yo, this is your boy Snaps, yeah, and I'm just grateful for the gift of life. I'm grateful for being here. I'm grateful that you're out there. I'm just grateful that you are able to be just here where I am today, and basically, I'm going to show you guys something interesting today. So, everybody out there participating within the Roy Bounty program, guys, hey, I'm here to support you guys. I'm here to help you guys out, as we have been helping ourselves. I just want to send a shout out to George out there, who have been struggling with some of the YouTube videos and recording some videos, and then we have been able to he was able to help us out and get something concrete, So guys, shout out there, let us support one another. Let's help one another. Let us be able to be one community, to push out for the best, So as members of the Roy Club community, we all know that Roy Club has been here and it's really helping us push out our lives into different kind of direction. We thank Roy Club for the passive income that we have each and every other day, just to support ourselves and our families, those around us, our friends, for those of you guys who have girlfriends out there, ladies with guys out there, you're able to support one another, take each other out, some of those basics. But, the whole shout out goes out to the Roy Club and goes out to the Roy Bounty program, to the Lexia leaders, who are really pushing out there to see that that we as the participants, are able to pick up something, be able to have some kind of stability, financially, that kind of sustenance, that everybody's looking for out there. And as Simon Peter, here I'm just gonna show something small, but above all, guys, the investment community is really awesome, The investment community is really impacting our lives, and we are really changing out there. I know guys out there who are participating, and Roy Club has really changed, the way they have the way they had been living, and the way now they're currently living, when they look back and they be like, hey, wow, I was at this level, I was living day to day, just, looking at, hey, what am I gonna eat? Hey, my landlord is on my neck, that rent is demanding, that water bill, that electricity bill is out there, and that is how some of these guys were living, from a day-to-day basis, looking for that which can, just end up and like clearing some of those kind of bills, But hey, ever since they got to know Roy Club, ever since they took that step, it's all about taking one step at a time, They took that one step and jumped in. Hey, guess what? Things have changed, bro. Things have really changed. And it's all thanks to Roy Club, for the things that it's doing in the community, that the percentage profits that, we are able to get within the Roy Club is awesome. I don't think if you have been online for some time and you have been looking at many kinds of platforms out there, trying to see how you as an individual can be able to earn something. Hey, I don't think you've probably found anything as legit as what the Roy Club is offering. There is a lot of transparency that we can see within the Roy Club. These guys are like, hey, this is how we make the money. This is how you get paid. They're not scared of revealing what is happening in the background. We have participated in some schemes whereby you don't even have something clear. You don't actually know where this money is coming from, but they're saying, hey, invest, put your money here, and you'll get an interest or a profit of about, let's say, about 60% per month. Some of them even say 100%, and you ask yourself, hey, What's the logic behind it? What's the drive? How's it working? And at the end of it all, they can't really explain. They can't really explain what is happening behind there. But oh my God, Roy Club is so transparent. Roy Club is so transparent, and they clearly tell us, thanks to the guys, shout outs to the PRIZM cryptocurrency. It's awesome, and it's the backbone of our Roy Club, and that is why we are here. That is why we are able to earn that passive income from day to day. That 0.88% that we get per day. That is all courtesy of Roy Club and courtesy of the PRIZM cryptocurrency. Due to the joint paramining of the PRIZM currency, Roy Club is able to sustain each and every participant within the Roy Club community with that sweet 24% to 29% profit per month. That paramining technology, or that paramining feature within the PRIZM cryptocurrency. So hey guys, that is why we stand and say, hey, we have this assurance of what Roy Club is doing. We have this assurance of always being able to earn that passive income, being able to earn that some little that you're able to sustain yourself about, and why does Roy Club do this? So that club members can hey, you don't have to only think about the basic needs moving from day to day. You can focus on other things like self-realization, helping others, the development of science and technology, world peace, environmental protection. I mean, the list is endless. The list is endless, guys. Endless, guys. You get to focus on bigger dreams, looking at bigger things that can affect other places, And that is what it's all about, thinking at large, thinking about the community, thinking about the world at large. And that is why Roy Club has come up here and is giving us a vision for a better world, So guys, I just want to thank you just for listening into this video. But in the next video, guys, I'll be talking about some of the tasks that we're doing within the Roy Bounty program and how to set up some of the accounts, so that I can get you easily sorted if you're having any issues with some of those task creations. Otherwise, guys, thank you for listening in. This is Simon Snipes, and hey guys, I will see you, in the next video. Otherwise, like my video, you can share it, and hey, God bless you, and stick there. Roy Club is the way to go. Have a nice day. Peace.